Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to verify your Apple ID account. So guys, first of all, before we do anything, you can create your Apple ID account first of all on both your phone or your browser. In this tutorial specifically, we will try to make one on browser. Of course, you can make one with the same steps using your phone. So let's get ahead and open our browser. It could be whatever browser you have on your PC, and right after that you go to Google Chrome, for example, for me, and I will search for Apple ID, or I have it here already opened. So after you search for this one, don't click on the first website, not the second, not the third. So search for appleid.apple.com, so something like that. If we clicked on it, it will open a page just like so. Or if we go back in here and let's check this website, let's go back, use Apple ID to sign in to Fiverr. Okay, this is the wrong website. Let's remove all of that, and it must be something like that. All right, so from here, as you can see, is the sign in, and here's create your Apple ID. Basically guys, to verify first of all your Apple ID, you need the number and the email. It's pretty simple. So you come in here, you put your first name, last name, and here country, region, birthday, and here your email address, and here password, and here you confirm your password, and last of or not least, the phone number. After that, you click how you want your account to be verified. So you choose between text message or phone call. After that, you click in here to receive Apple Music, TV and more announcements, and then you write the captcha right here. Right after you continue that, you click on continue, and after that you will receive a message both on your email and then your phone. So make sure to copy the number and paste it where they will ask you to do, and right after that you will be verified on Apple ID. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually verify your account on Apple ID. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.